It's been 5 days since a nor'easter hit our area, leaving thousands without power.
Right now, more than 15,000 BGE customers still have no power. Several days now since the storm. The majority of the outages are remaining in Baltimore County.
ABC 2 News' Chanel Pearman is live at M&T Bank Stadium, where BGE has set up a staging area. Chanel, crews have been working around the clock.
Yes, Ashley, and they've been piling in all morning long at this parking lot here at M&T Bank Stadium. You can see a few of them just came in moments ago. Within the last hour, we've seen a number of different utility trucks pulling into this parking lot, some local BGE crews, and we've also seen a lot of trucks with license plates from New York. So that just tells you that there are crews coming in from all over to help. BGE says that about 2,800 people are working to bring power back in our area. BGE says that they've already restored service to more than 410,000 customers, but there are still more than 15,000 still waking up to no power this morning, many living in Baltimore County, Harford County, and even Anne Arundel County. BGE says getting power back up and running will take longer than the first few days of Friday's storm. That's because the remaining work on the system is extremely labor-intensive and time-consuming. With another storm heading our way, many are scared their outages will last a lot longer than expected, and they're just preparing for the worst.
My wife been spending the night at her mom's house, and I'm staying here just because we have a sump pump that runs all the time.
There's lots of kids on the street, older people. We kind of need some heat going on.
Now, a spokesperson with BGE says that they don't anticipate that this upcoming storm will delay their process in restoring power in our area. Live in M&T Bank Stadium, Chanel Pearman, ABC 2 News.